Talk Anna.
Podcast.
Adam, I actually have a quick question before we start.
Oh? A quick question. I love those. Tell me, what is on your mind?
Well, what is the exact difference between could, would, and should?
That is a fantastic question.
It is so frustrating. I hear them everywhere, on the street, at work, in movies, but I honestly do not know which one to use.
Do not worry. That is exactly where most English learners get confused. You are definitely not alone.
Really? Because sometimes I feel like I'm just guessing. I just throw the words in the air and hope they make sense.
Exactly. But perfect, because today we are going to make it very, very simple.
Oh, thank goodness. I really need this.
By the end of our time today, you will not have to guess anymore. After this lesson, you will choose them automatically.
Automatically? Wow, that sounds like a dream.
It is completely possible, because here's the big secret, Anna. Listen closely.
I'm listening.
You do not have a grammar problem, you have a politeness problem.
Wait, what? A politeness problem?
Absolutely. Today, you will learn how to sound polite, natural, and confident using just 3 simple words.
Just 3 words? Could, would, and should?
Yes, if you are listening to us right now, do not pause this audio. Keep listening because this will upgrade your English immediately.
Awesome. But, Adam,
Yes, Anna?
are we going to talk about heavy grammar rules today? Because you know I hate grammar.
Relax, Anna, relax. There are 0 grammar rules today.
Oh, phew, good, because my brain hurts when we do too much grammar.
I completely understand. This is not grammar. This is real conversation. This is about how you make people feel when you speak to them.
How I make people feel? That is an interesting way to think about English.
Definitely, because these 3 words change everything. Could, would, should.
Only 3 words? Can they really change that much?
Yes, they actually change your personality in English. They make you go from sounding like a beginner to sounding like a professional.
Wow, okay, I am ready. Paint a picture for me in my mind. Where do we start?
Perfect. Let us close our eyes for a second. Imagine you are in an office.
Okay, my eyes are closed. I am in the office.
And you are carrying a huge, heavy box of papers. It is slipping from your hands.
Oh no, I am dropping the papers.
Exactly. Now you need your coworker to open the door for you. How do you ask?
I would say, can you open the door?
Okay, good. Can you open the door is not wrong, but listen to this alternative.
Okay, I am listening.
Could you open the door?
Oh, could you open the door? Wow, that sounds softer.
Exactly. Excellent observation, Anna. It sounds much softer.
It is like, can you sounds a bit heavy, like dropping a rock, but could you sounds like throwing a soft pillow.
What a beautiful visual metaphor. Yes, can is normal, but it can feel a little direct, a little hard.
Yeah, true. Sometimes it feels like a command, even if I do not mean it.
Absolutely. But could is your magic key. Could means ability plus a polite request.
Ability plus a polite request. I like that.
Let us practice. Let's step into a business meeting. You need a document from your manager.
Okay, I am talking to my boss. I am a little nervous.
Do not be nervous. Use the magic word. How do you ask for the file?
Could you send me the file?
Perfect. Listen to how professional you sound. Try another one. You need someone to explain something.
Could you explain this project to me?
Awesome. Could you explain this project? Now, how did that feel in your mouth?
It felt very smooth, like I am respecting the other person's time.
Bingo! That is the emotional difference. It is very important.
So if I use can, I am just asking for a basic fact. But if I use could, I'm showing respect.
Totally. Can equals normal. Could equals polite plus professional.
Oh, this makes so much sense now. Could makes you sound respectful. I need to write that down.
Yes, memorize that sentence. Could makes you sound respectful.
I love it. Okay, give me one more situation to test myself.
All right, you are at a very fancy hotel. You are speaking to the receptionist. You want them to call a taxi.
Aha, let me try. Excuse me, could you call a taxi for me?
Excellent. You sound like a VIP guest. Haha.
I feel like a VIP. It really changes the feeling of the conversation.
It truly does. So that is our first magic word, could. Are you ready for the second one?
Oh, definitely. I am excited now. What is the second word?
The second word is would. W-O-U-L-D.
Would. Okay, the L is silent, right? Like in could?
Yeah, exactly. Very good pronunciation point. Silent L, would.
Would. Perfect. So, what is the secret behind would?
Would is all about desire and making polite offers. Let me give you a scenario.
Okay, I have my mental image ready. What is the scenario?
You are at a coffee shop. You walk up to the barista. What do you say?
I usually say, I want coffee.
Ah, okay. Imagine the image of a 5-year-old child pointing at a toy in a store. What does the child say?
The child says, I want the toy. I want it. Oh, I see.
Ha, exactly. Saying I want sounds a little demanding, like a hungry child.
Oh no, have I been sounding like a demanding child all this time?
Maybe just a little bit, but we can fix it right now.
Please tell me the secret. How do I fix it?
Instead of saying I want coffee, I want you to say I would like a coffee.
I would like a coffee. Oh, wow. That sounds so much better.
Right? I would like is the adult, polite version of I want.
It sounds like James Bond ordering a drink. I would like a coffee. Very classy.
I love the James Bond comparison. Yes, it is very classy.
So, would is for expressing my desire, but with a suit and tie on.
Exactly. You are putting a suit and tie on your English words.
Let me practice this in a business situation.
Go for it. You need to arrange a meeting with your team.
Instead of I want a meeting, I should say I would like a meeting.
Perfect. And what if you want to talk about a new project?
I would like to discuss the project.
Excellent. You are sounding like a CEO right now. Let us do one more. You need assistance.
I would like some help, please.
Absolutely brilliant. Notice how those words, meeting, project, help, sound so much better with would like.
They really do. It takes the pressure off the other person.
Exactly. It makes the workplace environment much smoother. It builds better relationships.
This is what you meant by real conversation and not just grammar.
True. Now, let us look at the other side of would. What if you were the host?
The host, like I have guests coming to my office or my house?
Yes. Imagine you have a new client visiting your office. You want to offer them something to drink.
Oh, I know this. I normally say, do you want some water?
Okay, do you want is okay for friends, but for a client, we need to use would.
Ah, so I change do you want to would you like?
Yes, ask the client.
Would you like some water? Or would you like a coffee?
Perfect. Would you like is the polite choice. You are handing them a silver tray of options.
A silver tray. I love that image. Would you like feels so welcoming.
Let us compare them quickly to feel the difference. Listen to this. Do you want a seat?
That sounds a bit rough. Like sit down or stand up, I do not care.
Exactly. Now listen to this. Would you like to take a seat?
Oh, that's much warmer. It feels like a genuine invitation.
Exactly. So Adam's rule for today, would equals polite choice.
Would equals polite choice. Got it. So far we have could for polite requests and would for polite desires and offers.
You are summarizing it perfectly, Anna. You are doing an amazing job today.
Thank you. I'm just visualizing the soft pillows and the silver trays. It makes it so easy.
Visualizing is the best way to learn. Do not translate in your head, imagine the situation.
I am definitely doing that. This is so helpful.
Now, we have covered the soft request and the polite desire. We have one more magic word left in our trio.
Right, the third word. We did could, we did would. So next is should.
Yes, the third and final magic word, should. S-H-O-U-L-D.
Let me guess. Another silent L?
Exactly. You are a pronunciation master today. Silent L. Should.
Awesome. So what is the secret superpower of should?
The superpower of should is giving advice without being bossy.
Giving advice without being bossy. I like the sound of that.
Let us set up a new scenario. Are you ready to visualize?
My eyes are closed. I'm ready.
You are having lunch with a coworker. Your coworker looks very stressed.
Oh no. Why is my coworker stressed?
They have a huge problem at work, and they do not know what to do.
I see. So they're asking me for help?
Exactly. They say, Anna, I am so stressed about this deadline.
Okay, I want to help them. I usually tell them what to do to fix it.
How do you usually say it?
I say things like, talk to your manager, or take a break.
Okay, stop right there. How does that sound to you?
Now that I think about it, it sounds like an order, like a command.
Bingo. It sounds like you are their boss giving an order.
Oh dear, I do not want to sound like their boss. I'm just their friend.
Exactly. You want to give advice, not a command.
So how do I soften it? Do I use a pillow again?
Yes, should is your soft pillow for advice.
So instead of talk to your manager,
You say you should talk to your manager.
wow, you should talk to your manager. That completely changes the vibe.
It does, right? It feels like you are wrapping an arm around their shoulder.
A verbal hug. I love that visual metaphor.
Exactly. Must, or just using the verb directly, is like pointing a strict finger.
Like a strict teacher. Do this.
Yes, but should is like offering a map. Here's a good path to take.
A map. That is beautiful. Should is a guiding map.
Let us practice this in real life. Your colleague is studying for a big exam, but they are failing.
Okay, so I'll offer them the map. You should study more.
Excellent. Your friend is exhausted from working 12 hours a day.
You should take a break.
Perfect. Your team is confused and going in circles on a project.
This happens a lot. I will say, we should make a decision.
Absolutely brilliant. Notice those high-level business situations.
Yes, work, decision, problem.
And by using should, you sound like a wise counselor.
A wise counselor, not a dictator.
Exactly. Should equals advice, not an order, not a command.
I am writing that in big letters in my mind. Should equals advice.
Awesome. Now, Anna, we are entering the most important part of today's lesson.
Oh, the most important part. I am fully focused.
We are going to do a smart comparison.
A smart comparison. What does that mean?
I am going to show you how the same exact situation can have a completely different feeling.
Oh, like putting on different clothes for the same body?
Yes, what a great metaphor, Anna. Let us start with a request.
Okay, I'm ready.
Situation 1. Can you help me?
Normal, but a bit direct. Casual clothes.
Now change it.
Could you help me?
Perfect. Polite, respectful, the business suit.
I can literally feel the difference when I say it.
Now, situation 2. Expressing a desire.
Okay, the coffee shop scenario.
Yes. The normal way, I want coffee.
The demanding child way.
Now, change it to the polite adult way.
I would like coffee.
Excellent. So classy. Now, situation 3. Giving direction.
The stressed coworker scenario.
Yes. The direct command, talk to your boss.
The pointing finger, very strict.
Now, change it to the wise advice.
You should talk to your boss.
Incredible. Same idea, different feeling.
Same idea, different feeling. That is the magic of English.
It truly is. You're not changing the vocabulary, you are changing the emotion.
This makes me feel so much more confident, Adam.
I am so glad to hear that, because now it is time for the Error Lab.
The error lab. Oh boy, am I going to make mistakes?
Yes, but on purpose. We are going to fix common mistakes together.
Okay, put on the lab coats. I am ready to experiment.
Haha, lab coats on. Okay, listen to this sentence from a student. You must help me.
Oh no, that sounds terrible. Like an emergency or a threat.
Exactly. How do we fix this to make it a polite request?
Let me think. Request. We use the respectful word. Could you help me?
Perfect fix. The lab experiment is a success. Let us try another one.
Hit me.
A student walks into an office and says, I want meeting.
Oh, double error. Grammar and politeness.
Very good observation. Let us fix the politeness first.
Instead of I want, we use the silver tray. I would like a meeting. Wait, I added an a. I would like a meeting. Is that right?
Absolutely correct. You fixed the grammar and the politeness in one breath.
Yay! I am a great scientist in the error lab.
You definitely are. Let us do one more error.
Bring it on.
A manager tells an employee, you have to check the result now.
Oof, very aggressive. It stresses me out just hearing it.
Right? How can the manager soften this into strong advice?
Instead of have to, we use the guiding map. You should check the result.
Awesome. You nailed every single one.
This is actually fun. When you know the secret, it is like a game.
It is. And now for the ultimate test, the real dialogue scene.
Oh, a role play. I love role plays.
We are going to put everything together. No explaining, just acting.
Okay, set the scene, Director Adam. Where are we?
We are at a big corporate office. We are managing a $1 million project.
Wow, high stakes, fancy suits, got it.
I am your colleague. I walk up to your desk. Ready? Action.
Action.
Hi, Anna. Could you send me the marketing file?
Of course, Adam. I will send it right now. Actually, I would like to discuss the project with you later.
That sounds great. We have some low numbers this month. You should check the result from yesterday.
Oh, I did not know that. Could you show me the numbers during our meeting?
Yes, absolutely. I would like to review them together.
Good idea. We should prepare a new strategy before Friday.
And cut. Wow, that was a masterpiece.
That felt so natural. Did you notice how smooth that was?
Incredible. We just used all three words, could, would, should, multiple times.
And it did not feel like grammar. It just felt like professional communication.
Exactly. Let us do a quick mental recap to lock this in our brains forever.
Yes, the mental summary. Let us lock it down.
I will give you the word, you give me the meaning. Ready?
Ready. Fire away.
Could.
Could equals polite request. The soft pillow.
Excellent. Would.
Would equals polite want or offer. The silver tray.
Brilliant. And finally, should.
Should equals advice. The guiding map.
You are a superstar today, Anna.
Thank you. I honestly feel like my English just leveled up 100 times.
It absolutely did, because here's the golden rule for today's lesson.
What is the golden rule?
Speak English, but speak it nicely.
Speak English, but speak it nicely. I love that so much.
It is not just about vocabulary and grammar, it is about human connection.
Connecting with respect and kindness, it makes total sense.
Absolutely. When you're polite, doors open for you. People want to help you.
True. If someone says, could you help me? I am happy to help.
Exactly. All right, everyone, you have learned the secrets today.
Yes, no more sounding like a demanding child or a strict boss.
Exactly. Now it is your turn to practice. We want to hear from you.
Yes, homework time, but the fun kind of homework.
We want you to go down to the comments section right now.
Do not wait. Do it while it's fresh in your mind.
Exactly. Here's your task. Write 3 sentences for us.
3 sentences. What are they?
Write 1 sentence using could to make a polite request.
1 sentence using would to express a polite desire.
And 1 sentence using should to give some friendly advice.
We are going to read every single comment.
Definitely. Let us see those silver trays and soft pillows in the comments.
Yes, show us your polite personality.
If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up.
And do not forget to subscribe so you never miss another podcast with us.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Anna. You are amazing.
Thank you, Adam. I learned so much today. This was truly eye-opening.
And thank you to everyone listening. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember.
Speak English, but speak it nicely.
Perfect. See you next time, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful, polite day.